A wellness revolution is sweeping the nation, and chiropractic physicians are leading the way. Chiropractic care is remarkably safe and highly effective in the treatment of a multitude of muscle, nerve, and bone disorders that range from head to toe, including a variety of aches, pains, sprains, and strains. You rely on your healthcare provider when you're sick or injured, and you trust them to be there for you as a resource. Our network of highly trained chiropractic physicians is an essential part of Tennessee's healthcare system, a resource for you and your entire family. Someone once said, "You think healthcare is expensive? Try being sick." Chiropractic physicians focus on wellness, and their care is remarkably cost-effective. Did you know studies have shown that patients who are enrolled in a chiropractic program tend to have fewer and more brief hospital stays, undergo fewer surgeries, and use far less pharmaceuticals than HMO patients receiving so-called traditional medical care? For more information, contact the Tennessee Chiropractic Association at 615-383-6231. Or find a chiropractic physician right in your hometown. With over 500 TCA members statewide, there's a chiropractor who's right for you, right around the corner. Isn't it time to take back your life? Visit www.tnchiro.com to begin your path to a better you. Production and content courtesy of Trusted Voice. All rights reserved.